lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace for me wrist. And the eyes for the chain them a drip. My lifestyle rich. Tell them a name.
Oh my gosh, I my sister from my hair though. Guys, my God, after Christmas. Yo, it was a stress, but when my kids, that's normal. And it's raining. Blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. I'm low key. We get little highlights of this man. I'm looking at this. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time when in Jamaica. If you see anything interesting outside the world, I don't know why them come by a window seat. Like my like window. I don't like see what I do. I don't want to see something there. But yeah, soon when we reach.
That's the way I should. Dancing away I never thought I could. I'm capturing the rhythm like a foul in a cup. That's when I'm dancing, everybody knows I'm a different person. I'm home. I like to know it. You got the motion. Said I like to know it.
You guys, I'm here again. See Texaco. See Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. We're reached again. Matches your hair. I'll manage. We'll be like, sir, if the toe match the fingernail, it's him. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm back home in my beautiful place. Yes, you guys. I'm so hungry. But anyhow, you guys, I just got picked up. And yeah, yo, it took forever to come out of the freaking airport. Like, I knew traveling during the holidays was gonna be bad, but I didn't expect it to be this bad. Like, it's bad, but you know, I made it, thank God. By the, you know, with all the delays and cancellations and confusion and all them something there, me still reach and thing me in a one piece. I have my luggage and Ray, you know, so Ray. So yeah, when I leave and go do whatever I need to leave, stink. When I've been since yesterday, me stink. I'm gonna know I'm in deodorant this, so yeah. See you guys later. Have a Jamaica, guys. Christmas vlogs, well, yeah, holiday vlogs them start now. And sing, oh my god. Next week I chill out. I chill with us, or the week after that. One of the two of them. But yeah, so many things are coming up. We go see the girls that in on the daytime at White Christmas, and then next week we have Asha something, and then Sammy and Sandy reach. And yeah, so I'm the third person to get here. Asha comes tomorrow, then Sammy and Sandy come a couple days, 5 days later. So guys, YouTube vloggers take over. Jamaican vloggers take over. I like what I call this Jamaican vloggers take over. You see me? Pick up all of the Jamaican them. And yeah, all the people that I met on the plane and in the airport during the holidays, that was so nice. And you know, I just wish the wife and husband, they have an amazing honeymoon. The lady that hasn't been here for Christmas long like me, and the girl is here to see her daddy too. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't worry, you're not on camera. What happened?
Saying is that you're a mirror.
Which mirror? Oh, this? Yeah. No.
Feel free. Ooh, 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 yeah. Ooh, 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 yeah. Hey. Ooh, 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 yeah. Yeah. Ooh, 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 yeah.
I'm sweating. Oh, it's not that bad actually. Oh, and the dirty person who comments under my video tab, ew, your armpit shave that. See, they shave. Okay. Like Jamaica already agree with me. When y'all book your one.
My what?
My highlights off. My God. Longer. God, man, I still don't know time. And this man's on the phone as usual. Oh my God, with my time. Anyways, I'm going home. I think actually I don't 100%. Daddy, are you going home? Hello? I'm good. How are you? Good. Got me Montego Bay. Say hi, sir. Oh God! You see, I tell you guys, that's why I don't really vlog in Montego Bay like that. If I'm in the car, even in the car, it's still bad, but I feel a little bit better. But outside, I'm sorry, gonna not get them the footage there from me.
Worst time now, because you see like
Christmas time.
Oh my God!
And all the foreigner them and scammer them there. Yeah. Is this van here? Oh yeah. Yeah, if that's it. I'm gonna go look for my uncle at Cornwall Communications because he owns it. Hey, big up family who want things. Yeah, you. I don't want anybody to think you're funny or anything. Like, why is this man holding a girl purse with pom-poms? Where's my pom-poms? See my pom-poms. Oh, it's so Christmassy in here. Some Sharp Square get Christmas tree. Tonight a grand market. Yeah, you. Christmas. Turn up in a Jamaica. Look on ornament. Look on the star. Look how far the star gone. No sir, wanna see it? Look the far nearly reached Jesus. Okay, wait, no. What is going on with this lady's hair though? Why is it yellow and green? But yeah, look on the tree. Oh my god, Jamaica done good again. Yeah, you. Scammer them there. The bleachers them there. Yeah. Everybody there. It's Christmas time. Look at it. Look at the place. Oh my god. Daddy, when was the last time I was here for Christmas? Your mother was still alive. Everyone falls in love sometimes. Super busy in Mobile today. Oh, she made sure to look first. Jewel stable. Boy, my daddy's balling. Look at daddy. Daddy's real rich.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be $100? One more. Can I get a cranberry water?
I want to see it. Alright, come you get that.
Thanks. Sammy, seats here. This is what you need to drink when you come to Jamaica. You need to drink cranberry water. So when me tell myself I don't care for the green, hear about green. The dark red, the purple, or the light pink. Cranberry water. Yeah, yo. Ah! You guys, just changed. I didn't even shower. I should. But I think we're going back on the road. So yeah, I just came and put down my stuff. That's the suitcases I came with. This is the one that I left behind. My stuff. And I hang on my jacket and stuff like that. I'm just really hot right now, actually. I got my first drink, which was a cranberry water. Yeah, I think I showed you guys before. I'm not 100% sure, but it's okay to show you guys again. And then daddy's here watching Undercover Boss. And yeah, my brother's not here. What is this? Oh. Yeah. So yeah. Later. Guys, sum it up on the set to you. I'm so tired after all that traveling and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go back in town a little later. Grand Market is tonight, and I have to go to Digicel. So right now, none of my phone now work because one, I don't have no credit, and two, because of that, I don't have no internet, and three, I want the code for putting on my LG phone, not my iPhone, my LG phone, so I can use that for Snap with instead, because when I use my 4S, although the quality might be clearer, the snaps come small because the 4S is a smaller phone. So I'd rather use the LG where it's the same size, and now that they've done the update, I can, you know, make them fast, reverse, double tap to switch the screen, all that type of stuff. So yeah, I'm just here right now watching some TV, gonna take a nap, and then when daddy's ready to go in town, we'll go in town. I don't think I'm going to Grand Market with daddy because daddy doesn't celebrate Christmas. Daddy doesn't celebrate Christmas. I mainly came to celebrate Christmas with like my siblings because they celebrate Christmas or whatever. I mean, and Katie are supposed to cook tomorrow, cook Christmas dinner tomorrow or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go sleep, take like a nap. I'm tired out, and time ads, you know. I'm hungry now. I'm really hungry. I feel like go up the road, but I'm hungry. I'll talk to you guys later. No, I'm going right now to Jill's at his mom's. Kelly's at work. And she must be here. But where, I don't know. probably up a canal. And then, yeah. So yeah, look like mosquito don't start biting me already. Come here, crap. Oh yeah. They say if you do a cross, it won't scratch. And it works for a little bit. And then the cross is his coworkers react when they find out he's really the boss. Come on.
Yes, I can throw it, but in there I use the same part.
So I never slept at all, to be perfectly honest. I probably like closed my eyes for like 5 or so minutes. And if the camera quality you guys notice is like not as great, it's because I'm not using my regular phone to vlog with. I'm using Bay's old Samsung phone. I don't even know what phone this is. S3, S4, S5. I not even know, but anyways, it's doing the job for now. My eyelash is coming off because I can feel it and it's so annoying. And these lashes are so done. Like, look, all of right here is gone. It's almost like I have individual lashes and like all of this is gone. But I love these wispies so much that I bought a new one, because every time I go to find this or wispies in general, they're never there at my beauty supply because that's what everybody wears. So when I went to get my eyelashes for Jamaica, there was like literally one in each style that I wear, because I wear this one and then there's like a bolder one that I love. But yeah, my face is long, so I kind of have to have like longer lashes, I think. But anyways, enough about my lashes. So yeah, we went down the road. We did go up the road and we get some manish water. And then the same man give me some food. We went to some farm to pick up some stuff, but it was like he cooked for like his co-workers or any of the customers or anything that came in. So I was telling my dad that I wanted food and we were gonna go to the jerk center, but he was like, come and eat. So I'm gonna go eat. And so I got the manish water and now I'm gonna get some pork. Yes, pork and rice and peas. So I'm gonna consume this and come back to you guys and talk to you guys afterwards. Oh, and I got my favoriteest bag juice, the green one. I don't know which flavor. Does it say? I don't know, but it's like not it's a tangy kind of flavor, if that makes any sense. Like it's tangy and whatever. Oh, and my nails, I did my nails at Sandy's Nails in Philadelphia. They're so dope. This is the chrome. It's over yellow, so that's why it's so like golden. And yeah, I was contemplating between the silver and this one, or the one that makes the color show up, but I love gold and I predominantly wear gold all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna consume this and I'll come and talk back to you guys later when I'm done. Okay. It's taking Montego Bay though. Like, Montego Bay is popping right now. Yo, this man was just singing some Christmas song with makeup. Yo, other man say, hey, people money are gone done today. Yes, oh shoot, I didn't even realize. One man I say people money are gone done tomorrow. And ting, everybody I get ready for coming Grand Market tonight. I was so excited. Daddy, going to Grand Market? I'm coming outside. Me I come outside. I don't have no money, but me I come outside, go walk up and down. Too funny, yo. Daddy, say hi to the vlog. I said the vlog. Say hi now. Mr. Me here. Some girl pick me just can't bother with them. I have the camera out and them want watch her now. Like what? Why you jealous for? Can my phone can't video and your phone can? anyhow, I'm trying to go now to Digicel. To the Digicel we thought that was still alive was not alive. It's dead. It's closed from September 26th, and Daddy never know them. Something there from 19 how long. I bet you anything. That's my sister. Kiana, no? Oh shoot. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Trying to go see if I can get my code for my phone, and then yeah, I'll talk to you guys after.
One thing you know, from December start, every day is Christmas. Oh yeah.